Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut brittle. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need sugar, corn syrup, water, salt, butter, baking soda, and of course, peanuts. Prepare a large baking sheet by buttering it generously or lining it with a silicone mat. Having everything ready before you start cooking is crucial for success, as the process moves quickly. Now, let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until the sugar dissolves completely. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil. Insert a candy thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, stir in the butter and salt. Continue cooking the mixture without stirring until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, also known as the hard crack stage. Immediately remove the pot from the heat. Quickly stir in your raw peanuts, ensuring they are evenly coated. Then, swiftly add the baking soda and stir vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. The baking soda creates tiny air bubbles, giving the brittle its characteristic crisp texture. Working quickly, pour the hot peanut brittle mixture onto your prepared baking sheet. Use a buttered spatula or the back of a spoon to spread it as thinly and evenly as possible. Be careful, as it will be extremely hot. Let the brittle cool completely at room temperature, which can take about 30 to 60 minutes. Once firm, break it into irregular pieces. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.